Here's the catch. Many Americans might notice their Social Security checks have shrunk this month, but don't worry, there's a clear reason behind it. While most payments will still arrive on time, some recipients could see a temporary dip in their monthly benefits due to a new policy aimed at recovering overpayments. But here's where it gets controversial. Should the Social Security Administration, SSA, take such drastic measures to reclaim money that wasn't actually owed? Let's break down what's happening and how you can navigate this. The SSA has introduced a policy to recover billions in accidental overpayments, which means some beneficiaries may now receive half of their usual benefits until they settle the debt. This change began in late July, with the agency starting to withhold 50% of monthly payments from those who've been overpaid. While the SSA hasn't confirmed how many people are affected, records show they targeted around 2 million individuals in 2023. If you received more than you were entitled to through Social Security or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, your benefits could drop by half, even if the mistake wasn't your fault. This policy marks a shift in how the SSA handles overpayments. Starting April 25, 2025, the agency will send notices to those owed money, and after about 90 days, or by July 24, 2025, they'll begin withholding 50% of benefits until the debt is paid. Options for repayment include online bill pay, credit cards, or checks. However, if you're unable to repay or the overpayment wasn't your fault, you can request a waiver. The SSA's website offers detailed guidance on this process. Meanwhile, Social Security payments for August 2025 are on track. Disability benefits will arrive this week, and SSI checks for September will come early to account for Labor Day. Here's the schedule. Wednesday, August 13th. Birth dates 1 to 10. Wednesday, August 20th. Birth dates 11 to 20. Wednesday, August 27th. Birth dates 21 to 31. SSI recipients should receive their August 2025 payment by Friday, August 1st. If you didn't get it on time, allow 3 extra days for mailing. Most payments are sent electronically, so 99% arrive promptly. Another August payment will go out this Friday, September 1st. Since Labor Day is a federal holiday, Social Security doesn't issue payments on weekends or holidays. This means SSI benefits often arrive early when the month starts over a weekend. In 2025, SSI checks will also be sent on Friday, August 29th, September 2025, Wednesday, October 1st, October 2025, Friday, October 31st, November 2025, Monday, December 1st, December 2025, Wednesday, December 31st, January 2026. Supplemental Security Income, SSI, provides monthly benefits to low-income seniors, blind individuals, or those with disabilities. Eligibility includes having limited income or resources, and children with qualifying disabilities may also qualify. Adults must earn less than $2,019 monthly to qualify. Applications can be filed online, in person, or by phone. If you lost your Social Security card, you can replace it for free. Options include applying online, requires a U.S. address and valid ID, visiting a local office, or mailing in Form SS5 with supporting documents. Once approved, a new card typically arrives within 7 to 10 business days. For 2025, the full retirement age remains 66 or 67, depending on birth year. Those born between May 2, 1958, and February 28, 1959, reach full retirement age in 2025. However, claiming benefits before 62 reduces payouts, while waiting until 70 increases them. Other changes include a smaller cost of living adjustment, 2.5% versus 17.5%, 3.4% in 2024, and higher taxable earnings limits. The maximum Social Security benefit in 2025 will rise to $4,018 monthly, up from $3,822 in 2024. This totals over $48,000 annually, reflecting inflation adjustments. But what do you think about the SSA's approach to recovering overpayments? Are you in favor of this policy, or would you prefer a different method? Share your thoughts in the comments below.